Welcome back to another video from High Techno. In this channel, I make tutorials on Premiere Pro and Photoshop. So if you're new here, make sure to smash on that subscribe button and turn on notifications to watch more tutorials every week. Alright, today I will be showing you how to split a screen using Adobe Premiere Pro. Alright, to get started, all you need to have is two video clips like this on your timeline. And now I'm going to make the adjustment for the top clip, which is right over here. And by selecting it onto the first clip, you would find it pop up over here. And now since I have a lengthy name on my video, you got to select onto this arrow and go into your effects controls panel. And under motion you would find for position, and in your position now you got to make the adjustments, and I'm going to move my first video clip onto the right hand side. In order to do that, just you got to go onto your first amount and just simply drag it upwards so it moves onto the right hand side. And as you can see, now the video is split into two, but you can see the man is not visible in the video. So in order to make that adjustment in the video, what you need to do is go into your effects panel, which is on the bottom over here, and search in for the crop tool. And now you got to simply drag your crop tool effect onto your first video clip, which is over here. And under your effects controls panel, again go in and find in for your crop, which is over here, and I'm going to move my left adjustment to crop my video, and I'm going to drag it up to the right side till the man's shoulder is visible. And now what you got to do is go back to your position which you adjusted previously and make the adjustment to bring your video back to the center. Alright, now if you want to create a border in the center of your video, what you got to do is in your tools panel you got to select onto your pen tool, but before doing that you already have opened up a crop section which is already in use. So in order to close that, what you got to do is just simply click once on your timeline so the crop tool would get closed, and now you could use the pen tool to draw the border in the center of your video. And there you go, you would have a border kind of effect in the middle of your video. And as you can see, if you zoom in and see, you would not see a perfect border line. So you just got to make some adjustments by dragging on to the end amounts and adjusting the line. And there you would have an effect like this. And now finally you can see the border is too thick. So in order to make that adjustments under your effects control panel, you could just go find for your shape and reduce your stroke amount. I'm going to select it and have it to about 15. And there you would have a slim border like that itself. And if you want to change the color, just simply select onto your stroke box and you could change to your desired color you like. And one last thing what you got to do is make sure you change your graphics amount till the entire video is done, so you would have the border for the entire video. And now finally when you play the video, you would have a border and a split screen effect all together in your video. And there you go. I hope you benefited from this tutorial. If you did benefit, make sure to leave a thumbs up on this video, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.